Sometimes your assignment is to take new vocabulary words and use them in a sentence. You're going to need to write a sentence using that vocabulary word. And lots of times, students will take the vocabulary word and make a very short sentence or use the word in a way that the reader has to understand what the word is in order for the sentence to make any sense at all. And I'm saying to you, when you have that kind of an assignment, you've got to leave a trail of breadcrumbs here so the reader can follow it. You're going to have to pretend that nobody really knows what your vocabulary word means. Don't allow your reader to have to fill in a lot of the blanks. You're going to put it in context so the other words around it in the sentence help expose the meaning of that vocabulary word. Let's take a few more examples. Let's look at the bottom first. The oil's viscosity was fine. I have no understanding of what viscosity is from that sentence. I'm not sure whether it's pretty or the oil was enough. I'm not sure what the viscosity has to do with oil. So we're going to need to put more words in context to bring out the meaning of the word viscosity. The viscosity of the oil caused it to pour more like tar than gasoline. Well, now we've got other words in here that we have had some understanding about from other places in our life. We certainly know pour, to pour. The oil's viscosity, the viscosity of the oil caused it to pour. Okay, so we're going to take the oil and we're going to pour it. Pour more like tar than gasoline. Well, what do I know about tar and what do I know about gasoline? Well, I don't know a whole lot about tar, but gasoline, we go to the gas station and pour gasoline from the hose into the car. Sometimes if you've ever noticed, you can actually hear it pouring into the gas tank. So the gasoline would probably be pourable like water is pourable. Tar. You might have come into contact with tar when the road construction was happening and they put that black, thick material on the street. Or maybe you know something about dinosaurs who were preserved, their bones were preserved in the tar pits. The tar was thick and gooey and almost gloppy, gluey. So now we've got some understanding of the other words in the sentence. So the viscosity of the oil caused it to pour more like tar than gasoline. So what can you say about the oil? The oil was thick and didn't pour well. So viscosity probably has something to do with the thickness or the thinness of a liquid. You could piece that together.